Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Finding the acceleration vector for a particle in motion is super fast if you follow these simple steps. Let's solve this calculus problem right now. First, we start with the position vector and take the first derivative to find the velocity. Differentiating sine and cosine gives us pi times cosine and negative pi times sine, respectively. Next, we take the derivative of the velocity vector to find the acceleration. This second derivative results in negative pi squared times sine and negative pi squared times cosine for our components. Finally, plug in 1/2 for time. Since sine of pi over 2 is 1 and cos pi over 2 is 0, the final answer is option A. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch your signs and avoid rushing. Trust the given functions and check your steps.